A very scintillating morning to honorable judges, esteemed opponents, and my fellow audience. Today we are here together discuss on a crucial topic, how technology is useful for us. Now I would like to introduce myself. This is Vanshal Srivastava and he is my teammate.
Hi, I am Saurav.
Thank you Telvel for giving us an opportunity to be presented here.
A very mesmerizing morning to one and all, ladies and gentlemen present here from bottom of my hearts. It's a great honor to be a part of this assembly. Now I would like to introduce my team. This is Rama Rajavan and my partner.
Hi, I am Dilip Rathod.
So today we are here to discuss how technology is destroying our life. We are highly thankful to Telvel for giving us this opportunity. We deem it a privilege and hopefully we would be able to make this an interesting one. Thank you all of you.
Start.
So I want to start this conversation. In which time? That time technology didn't exist. Our forefather lived a very long life. Some people is like that who lived like 100 to 110 year age. And nowadays when technology comes, we lose our lives. Some people is like that. They hardly live 60 to 70 year life. And what about say our youngster? Some youngster get heart attack in 28 to 30 year age. That's why this happened. This happened because of our technology. Because we don't have time for our mental health, for our physical health. We are so busy in our technology. That's the reason. So that's all for me.
Let me correct you. I would like to say technology is not for losing our health. It is for growing India. Okay, technology is not.
So why we need medicine this time? In previous time, in our forefather time, in our ancestor
This is
time,
not fault of technology.
we don't need
I'm
any
sorry
type
to
of
say this is
medicine.
not fault of technology.
That time people didn't know what is heart attack, what is cancer. But this is normal that time. These things are happen.
By the technology, we should know about how crucial our health is.
How can you say this point? Because of technology, we are losing our eyes. Many of people
Just
got distressed because of the technology. Just because of this technology. Do you know why Chernobyl incident happened because of this
Let me
technology?
tell you, by the technology, we should aware about our health. Not
Why we need awareness? Because we are feel disease. That's why we need awareness. But in previous time, people don't need any type of awareness because they are physically fit, they are mentally fit, mentally fit.
No, they are not.
Are you live without technology?
Yeah.
Now this generation.
Today,
because
can be
I am
covered
challenging
technology.
Let me
without
speak.
technology.
Let
Now
me
tell me
speak.
This generation,
Now.
we are
No,
in
no, let
20th
me
generation. Is this technology live without technology?
Let
Is
me
this
speak, let
generation
me
live
finish.
without technology?
How can I answer if you not giving me time? How can you answer you?
Your point is how technology.
Yes,
is
I am ready
You are
to
going on health. How can you say this?
So norms, listen my point.
Okay.
Is nuclear weapon is not a technology. What if some days, say if a country use nuclear weapon on other country, then what will happen? What is the result? Humanity
Okay,
will
we are
got destroyed.
protecting our country by
why we need to
nuclear
protect our
test. It is
country?
also known
Because
as New
everybody is
Technology
making
Day.
nuclear weapon. Why nuclear weapon is useful in this world?
America put nuclear bomb in Japan.
Why this
Japan
incident
is
happened?
facing
Nuclear
problem
weapon
right
is for
now.
safety also.
There are lots of people
What is the
who
safety of
have
nuclear?
one hand.
What is the safety of
One eye.
nuclear?
So why don't you protect your country?
This is why happened.
Why
This is
don't you
happened because of
protect your
technology.
country?
We have technology. That's why
did
this thing has happened.
Why
We lose our
environment
environment
is
day by
destroying?
day.
Please calm down.
Why
Let
our
me tell
environment
you,
is destroying?
without
What
technology, how can you access?
There are many
Yes,
species,
I
there
am
are many
exist.
species which got
Why people
exist,
don't
which
need
not
technology?
exist at this time, but exist in previous time because of this technology. Why birds are dying because of this technology? We using 5G technology because of this birds are dying.
Listen, in Japan, 7G is already launched, but in India it is 5G because birds are harming. We are also
Birds
being
are
fed for
still
them.
harming.
But what
Birds
we are doing-
still
what we are
harming.
doing about
Some species, let me
We are
finish. Let me
making-
finish. Some
birds are
species
not
like
harming.
that, they lose their whole species. Who is responsible for that?
Can you please tell me from where from where you collect all this information by technology, na?
No, I am not collecting this information by technology.
From
I am
where?
able to
From
do
where
this.
you collect
I
it?
have enough knowledge.
From where you collect this
From where you
information?
collect it?
From
From my mind,
technology.
we have mind. I am
Our
giving this
mind
mind.
is
We are
also
not
a
using
source of
mind.
technology.
You use this
Nowadays,
mic.
we are
You
not
use it.
using mind.
You use it.
We
This
our
mic is
memory power lose day by
Not
day.
every
Our
one thing. Not
power
every one thing.
lose day by
What
day.
you will do
Listen,
with this
listen,
technology
my
if you
dear.
not remain
You
on this
use it,
earth?
your mic
You are living in
Technology.
20.
Okay. Why do you? If do you not remain on this earth? What will you do with this technology? What will you do with this technology?
If our life is not
Yeah,
exist,
our earth is got destroyed. What
You
will
are
you
living
do?
in 20th
We are
generation.
live our life in
Without
technology.
technology, how
no,
can
no,
we
no,
exist?
we are life. No, We are not live with technology. If our light
Our
will not exist, so why we
without
do this
technology,
type of
they are living
technology?
more happy life than
Why are you putting
Okay, give me the
humans bring
example of
technology for
global
their own
warming.
selfishness?
Give me the
And now you are
example of global
Do you know
warming.
Bill Gates?
Now you are
Yeah.
criticizing
Do you know Bill Gates?
technology.
Yes, I know
Humans
Bill
bring
Gates. Do you know Bill Gates?
technology for their
Once
own
the time Bill Gates says
selfishness.
that, yes, once the time Bill Gates says that a violin, once time Bill Gates says that a computer is like a violin. Okay.
Okay.
You know how
Do you
to
know
play?
Elon Musk? Do you
You
know Elon
should
Musk?
know how
Yes.
to
What
play.
does
You
he
have
say?
any idea
He says
what
that
our youth
AI
are
is
doing?
more dangerous.
Our
Science
child
says
is
that
busy in
computer
their
are
phone.
incredible.
They are too
AI is
fully
more
outer
dangerous.
game. Why they are not interested game? Because technology is an
Let me
addiction.
tell
Our
you,
phone is
every
addiction.
coin has
Our
two
computer is
sides.
addiction. Everything
Every
is
coin has
addiction.
two
Or you
faces.
say that ki, I am not living
This
without technology
technology-
because technology is an addiction.
Please candidate. 30 seconds to you, 30 you, 30 to you, one by one.
Okay. Technology is very useful for all of us because by the technology we are also invented a autonomous vehicle, which is very useful for all of us because it can perform all the driving tasks without any human inputs, and there are a lot of variety of senses used in this, by which it can make a 3D image of their outer area to perceive their surrounding. So the person who is handicapped by hand or leg, not able to drive a car, but by this technology he is able to drive a car. So there are a lot of things which is not possible with human beings, but by technology we can make it possible. So I want to ask you question: what is more important to you, technology or your life? Tell me one thing.
Look, technology is
listen
for
to me.
our growth, for rapid
No, I
growth.
want to ask one thing: technology or life? So listen. Give me listen.
Like,
Without
one by
technology, your life doesn't
Let me
exist.
complete.
I will
No,
tell you.
in past time
According
people
to-
don't live without
It's
technology.
past, but now our
No.
generation is.
Why this problem is coming
Our
because of
generation
technology?
is addicted to
Why this problem
technology.
is
Without
coming?
technology, you can't live. Now
Why
in
these-
20th generation, you can't live
technology
without
is addiction.
technology.
Our
That's
old
why we
generation,
can't
they don't
live
live
without
without
technology.
technology.
In our father
Technology,
life, we
generation.
didn't need any
A few moments later.